What's up there? How's it going?
Welcome.
Hello, hello.
Awesome.
Welcome to Bonkersville.
Hi.
Hello.
Ah.
It's very slippery out here.
Good.
Oh, I know.
Good?
Yeah.
Good. That's supposed to be. It's raining.
Hey, wow, this is so cool.
Yeah, come on in. There is seats up there. What's your name?
Yoshito.
Yoshito. I'm Laban.
Nice to meet you.
Welcome to Bonkersville.
Let's pad up. Let's go.
Yoshito, and what's your name? What's your name?
May.
May. Hell yeah.
I'm trying to put her in the board slide.
Everyone's falling down. Have you ever skated in the rain?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh! Oh, careful, careful! Dude! It's like, oh! Crazy slippery. Have you ever skated in the rain?
No.
Okay, well, get ready, because you're going to be falling down. Oh! That is awesome!
Come on.
You got this. You got this. Come on out. There it is. Oh, it's hard to stay on, huh? Oh, careful. You guys are in the death pit down there. It's hang on for your life out here.
Slippery slide.
Oh! I never seen Yoshito so happy.
Well, you can't laugh at her.
Yeah.
All right, careful. Hey, also,
There you go.
if it's too weird, you can use those wheels.
These wheels. Nice. Oh! The deadly angle over the spine. Gosh. I would say this is the most stable board here. All right, Joy. Using the slide to your advantage. Nice little,
She does it.
nice little shuffle out. Sheesh, that was sick. Yeah. Nice.
Hey, slide.
I don't even know who to put the camera at. Everyone's like slipping out everywhere. Nice! Whoa! There's destruction in the house.
Back foot?
Yeah, back foot maybe, back foot.
Wait, should I do this?
Yes.
Yeah,
Make
you
it-
think the
make
peel
your-
over?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you're a jerk. That's it. Oh! No way, that's it. Oh. Nice.
It'll look like a
Oh my gosh! You got it. Okay. Watch out! Volcanoes in the rain. It's charging a volcano. Oh, every time I turn around, you're breakdancing.
Come skate bonkers!
Oh! Go! Hey, that was your closest one. Uh-oh, uh-oh. You alright? You alright? Hey, the other board's more stable.
All right, you're there. Come on.
Right stance is right. I think you should pull it. Yeah! It's doable. Who can pull it? Oh my gosh! Wow! Careful! Careful! This is weird, Steve. Nice! You can keep going.
You right, pal?
Body slam.
Yeah, give it a sec.
Some bodying going on, man. Walk that one off, kid.
This is soaked.
No, it isn't. You're fine. Don't even. It's dry, probably. See you down there.
That water! Drink that water! Yeah,
Okay.
that's something, that's something.
Okay, we'll get there. You're in there.
Nice! Make it, make it! Oh!
Oh, here we go. You ready?
Yep. Okay, okay.
Because I think. See you down there. Do you think it'll do this though?
Yeah, if it does, you gotta deal with it.
Okay, you ready? Here we go. Oh,
Nice!
You're a jerk.
Yeah, that's
All right, we'll get a better one.
Yeah, that's the you're a jerk one.
I'm gonna do this so quick.
You got this.
Nice. Okay, here we go.
Oh!
Okay, you ready?
Yes!
All right, here we go. I still got it. Coming your way, Yoshito.
Okay. Nice.
I did something.
Yeah. Yeah, get the water out of your shoe.
Come on. Yeah, that's pretty saucy. Okay. All right, here we go.
Nice! All right, bring it back.
Okay, you ready? Here we go.
Okay. Ready? You ready? Yep. You ready? All right. Let's go for a wild turkey, okay?
Here we go.
Bonkersville wild turkey. Okay. Bring it back.
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Oh, you guys! Come on! How did you do, Rip in the ring?
Wow.
Jeez. Yeah. Whoa! Yeah! Dirty job! Jeez! Yeah!
Okay. Good one. Easy. So sweet. thing. Who's got a kickflip in the rain?
Here we go.
Oh, wait! Careful. Oh! Yes, gonna show you up. Go ahead, hurry it up, man. You gotta swing it. She's gonna show you up. Don't you do this? No, this counts. This counts. Do this. You got it. Go, do it. Do it. Here. Yes. Oh! All right, who's in there? Yes, uh-huh. All the way around the mountain. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You got it. Uh-oh. Possibly? With your life? Yeah! Woo! You okay? Yeah. That's a make. Hell yeah. Boom. Whoa! Whoa! He's got knee pads. Oh! Bad one. You alright? You alright? You guys, sometimes like this. You're bad. Do you think William can do this?
Yeah.
Yes. Do you think William? Nice. Do you think he can do it?
I do need the putt thing.
Okay. Do you think he can do it? Yeah. Everyone's on your side. Okay. All right. Here we go. Oh! Here we go. Nice. Yo!
You know what my favorite is though is when you do it soft.
Yeah, okay, whenever you explain something, you do it.
So you just run up like this and you just go like this.
Yeah, see, now when you try to do it, that was too forced.
Oh yeah, I forgot. You just go like this.
Uh-oh. Oh!
Throw it so it taps and then goes.
Yeah.
Was it somewhat of a power slide though?
Yeah, that was it.
Okay, Yoshito, now push off me. Okay? So when you're riding and then push, okay? You got it. That's how you win. Now push.
Oh! Good word. There you go. Okay. Whoa! Yo! What are we doing here?
Power slide.
Power slide. Power slide contest?
Power slide contest. You guys, we're going from the blue line over there. You have to power slide as far as you can without dying.
Yep. Whoever gets
We're keeping track.
Whoever makes it furthest wins.
Okay.
Power slide is in slip and slide.
Come on.
Yep.
All right, here we go. Go. Oh, Andy put that there. That was amazing. Yeah, but that was cool.
Okay,
That's bonus points.
Okay, do your best to start there. If it's too close, that's okay. But just throw down or cruise. You got it. Here we go.
Whoa! Power slide champion of the world here.
Wait, yeah?
Okay, you made it to right past the blip. That was the coolest slam I've ever seen. It's asking for trouble. He was afraid! Not by the children! They got you on that one. Give me another try! That was terrifying!
Get out of here! Get out of here! Get out of here! You ready? This is so scary.
Blue to blue! Okay, we got a second place contender. Woo!
Oh, knee slide? Don't mind if you do. Come on.
Woo! Rock and roll!
Yes, that was a...
Whoa!
Here we go.
Oh! Blue to blue for sure. Woo!
Gotta keep that balance.
Right there. was the easy one. Power slide launch. That was it. Yo! Yeah! Oh, you're next to the edge there. Look at that! Easy! Oh my God! Oh! All right. Last prize, guys. Whoa! Jeez! Jeez! Why did you make those so speedy? Jeez! Oh! Oh my gosh! Did it slide? It did. Yes!
Live your life. You got it.
Guys, stay on, stay on, stay on, stay on, stay on, stay on, stay on. Yeah! All right, y'all. That's a good ender. I think that's the session ender, folks. Thanks for coming, high five.
Laban, thank you. You're the best.
Oh yeah. Hell yeah. High five. Thanks for coming to Bonkersville. Hey, what
You
did
have
you
to save yourself, tough guy.
Yeah, what did you think of
Thank you.
Bonkersville?
Good.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah.
Hey, could you keep your answers much shorter than that?
You
Mine's so much
skating?
shorter. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wait, oh my God!